year 2019 of Civil Services Pre-Exam, which is also called CSET. Passage 5 after question number 65 is food varieties extinction is happening all over the world and it is happening fast. For example, of the 700 apple varieties that were grown during the 19th century, fewer than 100 remain. In Philippines, thousands of variety of rice once thrived. Only now only up to 100 are grown there. In China, 90% of the wheat varieties cultivated just a century have disappeared. Farmers in the past painstaking bred and developed crops well suited to the peculiarities of their local climate and environment. In the recent past, our heavy dependence on a few high-yielding varieties and technology-driven production and distribution of food is causing the dwindling of diversity, diversity in food crops. If some mutating crop disease or future climate change decimates the few crop plants we have come to depend on to feed our growing population, we might desperately need some of those varieties we have let go extinct. So question number 67 based on this passage, on the basis of the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. 1. Humans have been the main reason for the large scale extinction of the plant species. 2. Consumption of food mainly from locally cultivated crops ensure crop diversity. 3. The present style of production and distribution of food will finally lead to the problem of food scarcity in the near future. And 4. Our food security may depend on our ability to preserve the locally cultivated varieties of crop. Which of the above assumptions are valid? Option A 1 and 3, option B 2 and 4, option C 2 and 3, and option D 1 and 4. So first is uh, humans have been the main reason for a large scale extinction of plant species. So that is not mentioned in the paragraph. Human intervention on the extinction of plant species is not mentioned anywhere in the paragraph. So that is not correct assumption. And second is consumption of food mainly from locally cultivated crops ensures crop diversity. So here it is given that in the recent past our heavy dependence on a few high yielding variety and technology driven production and distribution of the food is causing the dwindling of diversity in food crop. So consumption of food mainly from locally cultivated crops ensure crop diversity. So that is there. In recent past, our heavy dependence on few, uh, we are dependent on only few high yielding variety and technology driven production. The distribution of food is causing the dwindling of diversity in food. If we depend upon more food, then the farmer will grow more food, more variety of food, and so crop diversity will increase. So consumption of food mainly uh, from locally cultivated crops to ensure crop diversity, that is true, because our heavy dependence on only few high yielding variety is the reason for dwindling of diversity. So we depend more on other food also, so that is correct assumption. Third is the present style of production and distribution of food will finally lead to the problem of food scarcity in near future. So that is wrong, because if in the passage it is given that if some mutating crop disease or future climate change decimates the few crop plants we have come to depend on to food our growing population, we might desperately need. So if word is used, so if some mutating crop disease occurs, but if we go on present style and no crop disease occur, then there will be no food scarcity. But if the crop disease or future climate change decimates few crops, then the food scarcity may occur. Okay. So that is wrong because present style will not lead to any food scarcity in near future, according to passage. Fourth is our food security may depend on our ability to preserve locally cultivated variety of crops. So that is also same thing. If we preserve the crop we are growing, then there will be no food scarcity. Okay. So our food security may depend on our ability to preserve locally cultivated variety of crops. So if we preserve the locally cultivated variety of crops, then there is no food insecurity. So fourth is correct, second is correct, but first and third are not correct. So answer is option B. Consumption of food mainly from locally cultivated crops ensure crop diversity. That is correct. Our food security may depend on our ability to preserve the locally cultivated variety of crops. So answer is option B towards C.